It's like a little squall that just went over. It's already stopped. Up!
Come on, just stand up by yourself now. Whoa! Whoa!
Do you like your new sprinkler?
Okay, now it's raining again. Let go.
Winky's guarding the backyard. Up on the deck.
Hannah.
Up on the deck.
Hannah.
Oh, is it Hannah? You trying to step on it, Allie? It's like she's trying to step on the water. Sissy, you don't need these shorts on. You don't mind if I pull them off, do ya? She did that to Grandma the other day. Walking down the hallway, she pantsed Grandma. Then Allie fell on her bottom and got upset. Says you're supposed to walk with me into the water. I know, it's kind of gross out. She'll step on anything. Says yes.
Go walk through the water. I like the look on her face when she gets hit by the water. Here comes the rain again. The water park wherever you go.